Hello, my name is Matthew Montgomery from Charleston, South Carolina, and I do know that I have a solution to fixing the oil leak at the blowout preventer in the Gulf from the knowledge that I've acquired over the last several months, as we all have. This is basically opposite than what BP has been doing by inserting cones in small buildings over this blowout preventer to catch the oil and the gases. How this would work is basically a funnel system, as you see, and I do have a diagram here that we can discuss right now because I think that's important. So I'll place that in the blowout preventer to hold for a minute. This basically is the hole, the pipe, possibly 22-inch pipe that's injecting the oil into the Gulf. Around that would be the bolts and the rough cuts and such and so forth. As you saw in this diagram, we have openings into this 20-inch pipe, which will allow the gases and the fluid to flow through this pipe to the surface. As we're lowering this into the blowout preventer, it would place itself somewhere in the midstream above where these gaskets, whether or not they're rubber or lead, would be. Then at that point, possibly with cables, guides to keep it aligned, even though there's minimal currents in the Gulf, the concrete, lead, mud could be inserted into this coned area, which would displace the water that's existing in there, the existing seawater at 5,000 feet, would force this down into this at minimal pressure. To prove this, basically we have 80 pounds of water pressure coming out of this hose, and I will stop this and divert this water with approximately 4 pounds of weight. Okay, cables would be attached. It would be guided into this blowout preventer, as you can see. Ballast, concrete, that mud they've been discussing, lead, whatever it takes to weight this. As you can see, it's already working. Just a few pounds of weight, if that. All about no more leak. The oil shooting to the surface that's already been hooked up with the pipes. And, I think it's a very viable solution, and it's extremely simple, as we all can see. I have further technical information if you would like to contact me. Again, Matthew Montgomery from Charleston, South Carolina. Thank you.